Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, Wagwan, me name Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news in the Jamaican language. First, me give the headline them. The Met Service a report to one cold front a go make rainfall across the country today. The government put one public state of emergency SOE in a Clarendon and St. James. The firefighter them vote for take the government wage offer under the compensation review program. Now for the full tour them. The Met Service a report to one cold front a go make rainfall across the country today. According to the Met Service, one low pressure area across the northwest part of the Caribbean will go make the place cloudy and rainfall until Thursday. The rain a go start fall in the afternoon across most of the parish them. The government put one public state of emergency SOE in a Clarendon and St. James. The SOE start 12 last night and a go stay for 14 days. According to Prime Minister Andrew Holness, gang war broke out in the two parish although the police are trying to cut down crime. Him said the SOE are going to make the police handle more operation in a Clarendon and St. James. The firefighter them vote for take the government wage offer under the compensation review program. Them vote for take it last Friday. According to Eileen Davis White, or the General Secretary for the Jamaica Association of Local Government Officers JALGO, although the fireman them take the offer, them still have problem where the government must look on. The immigration officer them stopped protests and gone back to work last night. This come after one meeting kept at the Ministry of Labour yesterday between the Immigration and Citizenship Agency PICA and the National Workers Union NWU. According to Granville Valentine, who are the NWU secretary, them start back talk under the wage package compensation. The Westmoreland police are looking at a double murder in a Bluefields Monday afternoon. The dead man, a 34-year-old Patrick Stewart, was one taximan, and Patricia Stewart was one farmer. According to the police report, around midday, Dwyer and Stewart did a drive in a one black Toyota Wish when gunman shot them up. People rushed them to hospital where doctors said them dead. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news in the Jamaican language.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.